To download the Gulf Unnati app, visit the Google Play Store and download it. After successfully installing the app, click on the Unnati icon to open the login page. The user ID is your employee ID. To generate a new password in the event of having forgotten your password, you have to click on the Forgot Password tab. You will receive the new password through an SMS on your registered mobile number. To watch the app demo, click on the App Demo tab. On clicking, you will be directed to the language selection page. Click on the language of your choice to watch the video in your preferred language. On logging in, you will reach the landing page with multiple functionalities. To view your profile, click on the View Profile tab. This will take you to the page with all your profile details. On clicking the Edit Registration tab, you will be able to view the list of retailers tagged to you. Their name and mobile numbers will be listed. This would include the list of retailers pending enrollment. You will have to select the retailer that needs to be enrolled and fill up the form, which will subsequently be prompted. You have to fill in the mandatory details to complete the registration of the retailer. All mandatory fields have an asterisk sign alongside. Once you click on the Edit Registration tab, you will be directed to the OTP page. An OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number of the retailer. You will have to enter this OTP. On successfully submitting your OTP, you will get a pop-up screen with the OTP verified successfully message. In the event of the retailer not providing the OTP during the time of registration, or if he does not receive OTP, then you can regenerate the OTP and submit again through the Member Search tab. You can search for a specific retailer by clicking on the Member Search option on the landing page. This can also be done either by mobile number or the unique retailer code. On selecting the desired retailer, you can view his profile, view his transaction history, view the order status of the retailer's redeemed products, view the target of the retailer. Through this tab, you will also be able to keep a track on the individual retailers tagged to you. In the What's New section, you can view information about all the new initiatives taken by Gulf Oil. Through the View Rewards tab, you will be able to view rewards available to the retailers for redemption. You can select the category of gift voucher from the drop-down list. The vouchers can also be listed basis the value either from high to low or low to high. You can also search the brand of voucher available for redemption directly using the search option. On clicking the Order Detail page, you can view the order status of your retailer redemption of a particular voucher. Through the Scheme Letter tab, you will be able to view the new schemes introduced by Gulf Oil monthly or quarterly. Through the Target Meter tab, you can view the target of retailers, and you will also be able to keep a track on individual retailers tagged to you. To view the target of any particular retailer, you will have to search via the Search tab using either the retailer's mobile number or his unique retailer code. On entering the required details, you will be able to view the profile summary of the retailer with the View Target tab. You can also click on the View Target tab to check the performance of your retailer. Through the Change Password tab, you can change your current password. On clicking the Help option on the landing page, you will be able to access Contact Us details, Terms and Conditions, FAQs, and Program Brochure.